meteorologist Becky Taylor.
Well, welcome back. We do have a few clouds zipping on through this morning. If you look at this closely, you can see just how fast those clouds are moving from the south to the north. Those are higher level winds that are going to be coming down to the surface through the day today, and we're expecting a lot of wind here across the area. So prepare for a gusty afternoon. Right now it's not so bad. Our winds are mostly out of the east still. They're around 10 to 15 miles per hour, about 10 miles per hour in Topeka, currently at 51 degrees. And we are going to see much warmer temperatures and much windier conditions over the next few hours. So we're already starting to see some of that southerly wind coming into our far southern counties, about 10 miles per hour down towards Emporia and Burlington, and wind still about 10 to 15 miles per hour to the north. As we go through the daytime today, we are watching for our next cold front to arrive. That's going to sweep into our northwestern counties by this afternoon. This is at 4 p.m. Already shifting our winds to the north and west, and we're still seeing some winds out of the south. Out ahead of that, about 40 to 45 mile per hour wind gusts through this afternoon. That front continues to slide through, winds increasing behind it out of the north and west, really bringing in those colder temperatures. And then we'll see that swinging all the way through the area after midnight tonight. After that, we've got those northwesterly breezes continuing through tomorrow, wind gusts as high as 25 to 30 miles per hour through Wednesday. And then we'll slowly see our winds backing off throughout Wednesday evening. Temperatures to start with today, we've got mid to upper 40s to the north, low to mid 50s to the south, and we're starting to warm things up already throughout Emporia and Burlington. 58 and 57 degrees down that direction, 45 degrees in Marysville, Concordia at 43, and we're at 52 degrees in Lawrence. Later this afternoon, it's going to be a warm one, feeling a lot more like summer than April here, as we're going to have temperatures climbing up into the mid, even upper 80s. Could get close to 90 degrees in a couple spots potentially today, and then we'll see that cold front swinging through, dropping our temperatures rapidly down into the 30s. We may even dip into the upper 20s in our far northwestern counties. That is a huge temperature difference, just by almost a 50-degree temperature drop with that cold front. Now through tomorrow, a bit cooler. We'll have temperatures in the lower to middle 50s. There's a wider look at our satellite and radar here. As you can see, this upper level system continuing to make its way to the east here. That's what's providing our wind today and our cold front that's going to be arriving later on this evening. Satellite and radar here locally, we do have mostly clear skies, but a few of those clouds zipping on through here, as you saw on our Lawrence camera earlier. So we will start off with a few clouds this morning, clearing out, becoming mostly sunny by this afternoon. And then we're looking at thunderstorms potentially developing right along that cold front as it's moving in. Those move off to the east as we go throughout the night, maybe just a couple hours where we could have a severe weather threat later on tonight in our far eastern counties. And we are going to end up with some sunshine through the day on Wednesday. So as those storms move through tonight, main threats with these are definitely going to be gusty winds. We could see some even stronger wind gusts with those, and maybe some larger hail. Tornado threat is very low. It's not zero, but the bigger threats here with these storms are definitely the wind and the hail tonight. We'll drop back into the 50s for Wednesday, rebounding pretty quick though.